Here I've got LG K50 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings. Just come along with those info. Just go to the settings, then find and select sound. So here we've got it. And now go to Do Not Disturb. And here simply by tapping on Use Do Not Disturb you can activate this mode, and from now on all incoming calls, messages and alerts will be silenced. Then you can switch it off the same way. You can also pick the mode of your DND mode, just click on mode, and you can use either priority only, it won't silence priorities and alarms, or total silence, so it will mute all incoming calls, messages, alerts, and all the others. Then you can also personalize priorities, simply click on select priorities, and now you can, for example, add to priorities calls from contacts, then also repeat callers, so click on repeat calls function to activate second call from same caller. And let's go back then. Finally, you can also schedule your DND mode. Just click on add schedule. You can do it from calendar or weekly. And now let me name it. So it can be, for example, working. And click on save. Then go to the calendar, so it can be phone or all. I will leave it this way, so all. And now you can add some invite events and pick the mode. So here it can be total silence, and invite events can be attending and maybe attending only, or all except not attending. So this is it. This is how you can activate this mode. Click on save to upload the changes, and as you can see it's active. If you'd like to switch off this rule for some time, simply tap on this switcher. If you would like to delete it permanently, click on it and then tap on the bin icon, confirm that you would like to delete this schedule mode, and that's it. As you can see, now it's deleted and only sleeping with priority only every day between 10 and 7 AM is active. And obviously you can switch it off the same way. You can also have a quick access to DND mode through the upper bar. Simply slide down the upper bar, locate the DND mode icon, here it is, and just by tapping you can activate this mode. Then once you want to switch it off, click on it one more time, and that's basically all. So you can activate, use and deactivate the Do Not Disturb mode in your LG. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.